Yiga, the Pearl of Africa. Magpapahinga, huwag susuko. Tara na, with Tindera sa Africa!
Oh, thank you. And you got your shoes?
Yeah.
Whose crayons are these?
That's Kaya's gray. It's 14. It's 14.
It's 14.
Yes.
This is 14?
Yes.
Or 24?
24.
It's not yours?
Yes, it's 24.
It's not your age.
Yes.
What's your age?
Don't I know? I'll use 36.
Alright, let's put your shoes on.
Yep. I need to use 36 colors.
Alright, bye for you 36.
Hi guys, we are going to school.
What are you bringing to school?
Toys and snacks.
What are you going to tell the teacher?
Go back to home.
Maayong buntag, Jensen! Ang aga pa namin ni Kulit-Kulot, guys. Pinasok ko siya dito sa paaralan ng elementarya ng Pilipinas. Mabuhay Elementary School. At ngayon, andyan, nag-exercise na yung mga bata. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, no, talagang merong exercise para mabuhay yung mga natutulog ng mga kaluluwa. Katulad ng sa akin, no, pak. Maaga pa, mainit na ang ulo, hindi yata binayaran ng utang to. Tara, hatid natin siya. Take off shoes daw, teacher said. Siya lang niya. Okay, go show teacher. Go sit on a chair, okay? Sit on the floor with your friends. Go sit with the floor. Taga-asa ganito, taga-asa ta.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino. Yes. Na-shock sila guys kasi nag-ano pa sila kung ako ba talaga si Tindera sa Africa. Wala kasi akong bangs ngayon. Pero ayan, masaya tayo sa umaga. Ayun. Kung gusto nyo makita ang mga magaganap ngayong araw na to, of course, keep on
Mabuhay!
Ayun. Kung gusto nyo makita ang mga magaganap sa araw na to, of course, keep on
watching!
Ayun. Nagbasa sila ng script guys. Very good. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa ating convertible na sasakyan. Papunta tayo, sunduin natin si Kulit-Kulot dahil 3 oras yung klase niya ngayon, tapos na. Ayan. So, papunta tayo ngayon. Ayan, meron tayong maraming space dito guys para upuan ni Kulit-Kulot. Alam ko magugustuhan to ni Kulit-Kulot eh, surprise. Mas gusto niya yung mga ganito kaysa sa mga sasakyan kasi kahit sa Uganda, hindi kami masyadong nagsasasakyan doon. Mga boda-boda, ganun, motor. So tara guys, kunin natin, tanungin natin siya anong natutunan niya ngayong araw. go. You hold tight first. Hold tight. Okay, hold tight na. Hug. Gani, hug na. Oh, pak. Okay na kada, yeah?
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Ingat. Safe.
Bye. It's only for 0 to 3.
Yup, but it's
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old, but it's okay.
You're 33?
Yes.
Okay, then it's okay.
Huh?
What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
Only that?
Mom, can you please open for me?
That's for girls.
No.
Yeah, you see that thing is for girls. When it throws
Can you please help me open?
Okay. But you know how to make it.
But I don't know, Mom.
Okay, let me help.
Thank you, Mom,
Thank you for what?
for that chocolate and this toy.
Did you like it?
Yes.
You're very sweet. Thank you for saying thank you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready for lunch now?
Yeah, but I'm still putting this inside.
Let's go and have lunch.
First, let's.
Wow.
Thank you.
Like that. Then you're going to press it and it's going to fly. Wait first. Okay, press it here. Wait first. Oh! It's flying. Let's go.
Yeah.
Ah! Eto si Muningning, ang pinsan ni Kulot. Eto si Kulot. Kulot ang utak. Tapunan ng pansit canton. Pak. Wow. Oh, my best friend mo, Ningning. Wow.
Mama, you see that one is for Mickey.
Really? Wala na nakalap.
Finger shop Nini. You finger shop Nini.
Manining will finish. You eat.
You eat.
Oh, next one, Calvi. Show Ning Ning. You have a big mouth. Show Ning Ning. Show Ning Ning, dali. You can, Ning Ning. Oh, look at Kulot, oh. Yeah, that's good. That's a big spoon, and you're a big boy. Wow. And even noodles on the top. Ready? Show us. What? Can fit in your mouth. Show us a thumbs up.
Too spicy. Spicy for me.
More for you.
Vegetables also.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
sa inyo kay Kulit-Kulot at nagtataka kayo ba't hindi nyo siya nakikita kasi ang laki ng bag. Ayan, hindi nakikita si Kulit-Kulot. So, lagi naming naiwan si Kulit-Kulot guys kasi actually lumalabas kami kasama siya. Kaso hindi araw-araw kasi ang pinakaiiwasan ko kapag nagbabakasyon kami ay yung nagkakasakit yung mga bata. So, sa kanilang mga bata, slow down lang. Si Kahil naman, medyo malaki na, syempre mas marami siyang ma-memories na magagawa. Pero ngayong araw na to, sobrang special kasi ilalabas natin si Kulot! Kulot! Say hi. Say hi. Yeah! Kala ko, tahimik si Kulot. So ilalabas natin si Kulot guys, tingnan natin kung ano yung kanyang mode of happiness o ang kanyang enjoyment ngayong araw. Kung gusto niya bang mag-playroom, kung gusto niya bang kumain sa Jollibee, kung gusto niya bang mag-check ng mga laruan at meron siyang magustuhan, tingnan natin! At syempre, kung na-miss ninyo si Kulit-Kulot, na-miss ninyo ang kakulitan ni Kulit-Kulot, ang kanyang kakyutan at ang mga kulot-kulot niyang buhok, huwag nyo kaming iwan, samahan nyo kami today para makita ninyo gaano kasayang kasama si Kalbi, the Kulit-Kulot Yiga! Ayan! Samahan nyo kami, huwag nyo kaming iwan at pag nag-enjoy kayo, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-press ng like, subscribe at syempre yung bell button para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga kwento-kwento. Where are you going? To the playroom. Where are you going?
To the playroom.
Nauna pa siya. Wait, mommy's coming. Wait first, don't go. Wait first. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, Kali! Move! Ready? Go, Hui! Go, Hui!
Go, get what you need. Then I'm going to pay for you. Bananas, here you go. What else do you need, sir? How many? One carrot. What else do you need, sir? A maze. How many?
2,000.
Here you go, maze. Is that a maze?
Yes, this is a maze.
Then you just got a lemon. What else do you need? What's that? Guys, natatawa ako dito sa play area. Merong burger shop. Sana all kumpleto sa ingredients. Mas kumpleto pa yung ingredients nito kaysa yung ginagawa namin sa bahay. Tara, gumawa tayo ng hamburger. Siyempre una, yan, tinapay. Yung puwet muna dapat. Tapos, lagyan natin ng, hindi kasi tayo pwede ng ng ham. Ayan, merong ham, pagka perfect ng ham. Pero lagyan lang natin ng beef patty. Beef siguro to guys kasi medyo dark. Tapos gusto ko ng egg, pero walang egg. Magsara kayo dito ha, wala kayong egg. Then, paborito ko yung cheese. Ang ganda ng cheese, shiny, shimmering, splendid. Lagyan din natin ng cheese. Ay, wala akong plato. Can I borrow a plate? Thank you. Nilagay lang natin, burara talaga tayo guys. Ganyan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng pipino. Ang pipino na makinis pa sa mukha ko. Kita nyo naman. Ayan, dalawa lang yung gusto ko, pero pinersa tayo na gawing 3. Tapos, lagyan natin ng lettuce. Ganda ng aking pack. Wow! Thank you! Wow, very perfect burger. Ayan, yan natin kung malabanan ko yung perfect na burger. Ay! You have to put in a plate. And then, lagyan natin ng kamatis. Ayan. Ang ganda na pala ng mga toys ngayon, guys. Oh, parang totoo. Lagyan natin ng kamatis yung burger. And then, takpan na natin. Ayan. Pak. Wow! Ayan. Double deluxe, double cheeseburger. Parang ganito na lang kalaki yung burger ng McDonald's. Kita nyo naman, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng aking burger. Magkano to? Ito ay $8 dollars. $8 Kaya nakasulat eh. Hindi ko alam eh. Peso naman tayo dito. Yan. Parang ako yung nag-e-enjoy. So, dahil nag-e-enjoy ako guys, wala muna kaming imikan ni Kulit-Kulot. Nandun siya. Ay, nawala. Ano na yun? Ay. Ayan. Kulot, I'm making a burger. Look. Abby. Ayan, nandun siya guys, naglalaro ng ice cream. Kaya ako paborito ko yung burger. So wala muna kaming imikan. Look, burger you want? I know. You ask for help, no? Oh, can't reach. Higher. Another one. Another one. Your towel. Say, my towel. Sorry? I can't hear you. Sorry?
That's enough, Mom.
What?
Show Tita your toy na. Look for Tita. Did you say thank you to Mom? Wow. Did you say thank you to Mama na? Alright. Let's go na here, huh? Let's get out.
Wow. Marshall, I fired up. 900 pesos. Ay, sorry. Sana all, hindi pa pulo. And this one, oh, cheese. Naghahanap buhay para mabili ang mga towel na may ulo ng aso. Wow, oh, bongga pa. 400 pesos lang yan, guys. Pamain ako. Oh, Gabi, look. Marshall, I fired up. Let's go. Ready? That is Chase. Ha, what does Chase say?
Hey, someone got cake.
Go! Oh. Bye, Chase! Ah, you don't want that? Okay. Just here in the head. Or I give this to Chico.
Yes, you gave it to Chico.
Alam, may pula takot lang.